Hello dear friend, welcome to another video. My name is Abdul. Today we are discuss about three coin. Number one is a super rare coin, number second ROM coin, and last is a deep link coin. This coin list on get data website. So dear friend, we are discuss about number one is a super rare coin. You can see limited time carnival trade sport or future to share up to $10,000 rewards on get data website. Now dear friend, you can see this is a distributed in two step as a number one trade sport or futures of rare to claim as a $5,000. Number second, you can see invite your friends as a share up to $5,000 prize. Now different, I open article and give you more information about as a super rare coin. I hope you make get data account. If you not make get data account, I give you link description. You go make account and complete your identity verification. Now different, this is a same information as I invite your friend as a trade sport our future of rare as a share $10,000. So this is the button about join this event and the event time period you can see as 11 March to March 18 UTC, and we discuss as a reward number one trading rewards trade to split $5,000, and you can see no less than as a $200 sport trading volume or 500 as a dollar future trading volume can share up to $5,000 rewards, and has a links about as a sport trading and future trading. Now, dear friend, we discuss the reward number two as a newcomer reward. Invite friend to share up to $5,000. You can see each user is a successfully invite friend as a register and complete at least $100 rare sport trading or $200 in future trading. Both the inviter and friends will receive as a $5. Now, dear friend, we discuss about as a second coin. You can see ROM coin and stake ROM GT, and you can see share up to 50,000 as a ROM coins. So dear friend, this is a subscription time event. You can see March 12 to March as a 15, and token stake GT and ROM as a you can see total reward 50,000 as a ROM coin ROM, and estimate APR 243 percentage. Now, dear friend, I open as an article and see you as a launch pool on GetData website, and I open article give you more information about as a ROAM coin. Now, dear friend, you can see as a GetData launch pool newly added as a ROM coin staker, ROM and GT to earn as a reward delivery in real time. So ROM will be launched on GetData website as a launch pool stake ROM, and GT to earn ROM token rewards every hour. So this event as a time period you can see as a 7 on March 12 to as a 7 on March 15 2025 UTC. Total as a reward I already discussed $50,000, and this coin 100% unlocked. This is a participate people as a requirement, and now different. This is the project information. You can see as a this network is worldwide and community is create open access global wireless network. ROM ensure as automated wireless connection seamless as a switching, and more information you can see dear friend, and offer as a global smart eSIM service and enable as a privacy protect data layer for AI application. This is a website WEROM and .xyz, and you can see this is a note about as a project you can read. I give you links all as a description. Now dear friend, we open as a launch pool stake to earn now button. Click on this button, and this is a launch pool about ROAM coin, and you can see the project introduction as a launch pool GT pool and ROM coin. Now dear friend, this page open, so wait, and you can see here for this as a in progress ROM coin, and total reward as a 50,000 as taking period 3 days, end time 1 day, and this project end time 2025 315. This is a link about trade on this ROM coin, and this is launch pool GT pool has a APR 6%, ROM pool has a APR 157%, and people you can see 1026 people as a participant. Now dear friend, we discuss as a last is one you can see as a deep link coin. Different, you can see as a deep link coin as a protocol, and this coin is shared as a $1 lakh as a free airdrop on get data website. So holder airdrop initial offering deep link protocol deep link. So this event time period is a March 16 to March 18 UTC. Hold 1 GT to unlock the airdrop amount as a $1 lakh and deep link and trading as a 12 p.m. March 18 UTC. And dear friend, this is a links about airdrop, and I give you more information. Open article, you can see hashtag getio, hashtag hodler airdrop, hashtag as a deep link. So dear friend, I open article and give you more information about a deep link coin. Now dear friend, this page is loaded and you can see as a get.io will initially list deep link protocol, deep link spot trading and launch hodler airdrop. So get data will list deep link protocol, deep link and offer as a limited time hodler airdrop user holding at least 1 GT can share this amount as a coins as a deep links token for free. The hodler airdrop is exclusively for GT holder after the deep link protocol as a airdrop you can see, and no fund as a conductor. So participate, this is a button about join this event and join as a claim period. You can see March 16 2025 to March 18 2025 UTC total as a supply deep link coin. You can see 6,066,000 as a coin deep link, and this coin 100% rules as a unlock and trading start as a 12 March 18 2025 UTC. Trading pair as a deep link USDT. Now dear friend, this is more information about deep link as a protocol, cloud gaming protocol and AI as a blockchain technology provide as a ultra low latency cloud gaming as you can see as a switchable as a cloud esport. You can see triple A games and improve as a picture quality through AI. The protocol includes a deep link protocol and deep link as a software with support as a cloud gaming, streaming and remote control, while deep link AI agent optimize and improves the player experience. So different, simple about as a deep link and maximum supply you can see, and token type DRC20, and this is a link about token, and this is more information about this event. Now dear friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel, and you can click on this join button and easily join as a deep link event. Now dear friend, you can see this is upcoming, so 2 days as a start end time, and then you can as a join this event. Now dear friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell notification for more latest videos. Thank you.